All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their NC1 wireless earbuds to unbox and show you. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. This side just has contact information. This side says active noise cancellation, transparency mode, 8-hour playtime, hi-fi stereo, and nothing really on the back. So let's open this up, see what comes in here. Nice little box, they slide right out. Oh yeah. So right on top is a user's manual. Looks like it has pictures and everything telling you how to make calls, charge them, hang up calls, pair them. Everything you'll need to know is inside of this nice thick manual. Then we've got some of the boring stuff, except for that. So we've got some additional earbud sizes here. Looks like this one comes with 3. So we have a large one, that's probably the small, and the mediums are on here. And then this is a USB-C type cable to charge up the case. The case, of course, charges the buds, just like most of them, and that's it for the box. So, very Apple-esque packaging here with this look. So that's the front. You got a little indicator light here, it looks like. So if I open it up, yep, those light up. They're all 3 white and lit up. So this is magnetic, and then the USB-C port for charging is on the bottom. As you can see, there's a little two-tone look going here. Makes them look pretty nice. And if you take the actual, oh wow, take the actual earbuds out, and we can take these little charger protectors off. So that's the actual earbud. You can see the charging connectors are right here, so that's how it goes into the case to charge. But very tiny. I mean, that looks like that would fit nicely in your ear, and you'd be able to tap and touch on each of these sides to control what you need. I definitely like the look of them. Very, very well done design, I think. All right, well that should essentially do it for these NC1 wireless earbuds. Thanks again to this company for sending them to us, and thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.